crop circles is done by the UFO people. It is to mark where there are some underground water in case they need it. Okay?
Oh, wow.
Then they use the water underground to convert, make a combo into energy and also for fuel and also to make tools, if we can call that fuel or tools. But they do not need lots of water. See, they use underground water because it has different property than open waters. Not seawater in any case, for this.
Yeah.
You turn me into a science fiction writer. Yes. You see, water is very precious to life on other planets as well as on ours. It is used not only as a delicious, pleasant beverage, but it's also one of the components to make instruments, such as for UFO to use. Yes.
Wow.
And crop circle is a signal for other team or for themselves when they come back to know that their water can be found and used under such and such place, okay, and how much and how large the water body under there.
Wow.
Wow. The crop circles is a special code of geographic description as well, okay? Yes. Like as to more water underground or not, okay? They use a ultralight beam to write like you use ball pen to do it.
Wow.
They would normally describe the quality of water or how much water,
Right.
Yes. And they'll mix with some powders they brought with them to form tools, as I told you, for different purposes. And they take water from underground through special suction technique. It's very fast. The water underground in some places are more suitable for their use, you see? Yeah, because as you know, water is not always pure water. They always mix with something, maybe some even plastic components, microscopic particles of plastic or other kind of biodegradable stuff or non-degradable stuff or different qualities, different quantity of minerals mixed in the water, yes. So every place offers different water quality. You know that,
yes,
right?
Master.
So if they want to use some water, they have to choose a special water in some special places.
Yes,
Okay.
Master.
So the field, when they use that writing, you would call it, this is a description for the next team or for them to remember what is under there or nearby there that they can get.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
And also, something here. Sometimes people see green men and all that. They are not men, they are robots. Robots for different use. Not all underground water even are suitable for their use. So only in those selective sites are used because of their special properties. They can mix it and make it into different tools with the powder that they brought with them. And for laboratories' purpose, to analyze certain data concerning humans, animals' health on Earth, for example, or in that vicinity, or check out our dangerous weapons sites, also our mental states in certain place or on the planet as a whole, and our level of intelligent development or coordinative peaceful development. Well, I guess humans here are an interesting race for some planetary people, yes? Other than we are interested of ourselves between the different genetic orders like female and males, yes? The crop circle also describe soil qualities so that they can adjust the handling of suction intensity, yes? Like soft soil, how much volume, and hard soil, etc. accordingly, huh? The signals sometimes describe also certain human quality in the areas, like good, average, bad, friendly, intelligent, worthy, how many in each group, or any extraordinary worthy humans to take notice or to show off their presence, the UFO presence, or not show off, or to take notice or to pay attention, or any noteworthy event that will take place there, either to pay attention to or to study or to be careful, etc. Okay?
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, they are interesting.
Amazing.
Yeah, they are interesting people, huh? And they're interested in us. Can you imagine how proud we should be? Yeah, what next?
Why are most crop circles in elaborate geometric design?
Yeah, well, as I have mentioned already, but I check if anything new in my things. Okay, as I told you already, huh? They are the signs, yeah? For their working group to recognize where is what. And also for themselves, huh? And that to know that they have been there and they've done what research, for example, and some summary of the region, like water underground stored, for example. And you asked me something about the crop bend, right?
Yeah, we just said.
Yeah, by the way, it is here. Okay. The positive result from the crops are the byproducts only. It's not done on purpose, yeah? As the heat that bends them contain high vibration, which helps them grow better. Just by the way, yes. In those planets where the UFO came from, things done all by energy.
Wow.
And you know what? We also have UFO underground, huh? So might also be done by them also, yeah.
Wow.
But since they came from far away, they need to know where they are, what native material they can use, yes, for their purposes, yes.
Wow.
They are done by energy, not working so hard like us, not by labor like us. And we work so hard and we earn very little. We're so busy on this planet that we don't have much time to develop like they do. Crop circles are made by remote control, even using from the UFO. They're using light energy to convey some SMS, messages for their people.